Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So I am in my closet because I'm getting ready to go. Addison and I have some errands that we're going to run today, and first stop that's up first is going to the glass store so that I can get some glass inserts for my china hutch. And so you guys have seen that hutch before. I usually have my wedding decor, not wedding decor, but like wedding mementos on there in that space, and I want to add glass shelves so that I can fill it in. So wanted to bring you guys along with us, so let's get started. Okay. Go upstairs. Then are you gonna take a nap?
Stay away.
Oh, okay.
I got stuff to do. I got a whole lot of stuff to do.
You got a whole lot of stuff to do?
I got to work on the computer.
You gotta work on the computer, okay.
I got everything.
Wow, okay.
But I don't got no things to do on the computer, but I got some good. And he said, I got a lot of stuff to do.
Somebody text you on the phone and said that?
Yeah, my old phone.
On your old phone. Okay, they text you and said, do you want to go to Disney World?
Yeah.
And what did you say?
Nothing because my phone died.
Your phone died?
And it was a lot. I was playing it and I shut it off.
Is it? But they match? Yes, you can unbuckle yourself. We have made it to the glass company, so we're about to go in and pick up our glass shelves for my armoire, and then I think before running any other errands, we will go home and put them up because I definitely don't want those to break. So what do you think, Snookums?
That's a bad idea. We should buckle them up too.
We'll buckle the glass up for sure.
Put it right there in front of the SUV.
Okay, sounds good.
And don't crack your window too. We gotta get insurance again.
Ah, okay, that's a good idea.
It's hard to strong.
Grab your shoes for me so we can hop out. Okay guys, so we have made it home and here is the glass. So I'm going to just unhook these little things here so that I can get it out. And I'm just checking to make sure they did not break. I was a little bit concerned that they might break while I was driving, but they did not. So let's get this in the house and put them in my shelf. I hope they look and fit perfectly. guys, so I'm so excited that I have my glass in place. And so yeah, it's been a long morning. So I have the glass in place on my shelf. So I'm so super excited about that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed spending the day with us today. And I think we're gonna call it a day so far because I still have some things to do around the house, but I need to get lunch ready and get Addison down for his nap. So I think we will see you on tomorrow. Leave me comments down below to let me know if you've ever had to put glass in a shelf yourself. This was a little bit more of a challenge than I had anticipated, but I'm glad we got it done, and I think they look so very nice. And so I'm so super excited to get the shelves decorated. So we'll do that in another video as well. Alrighty guys, I'll see you on the next one. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.